is a real Boeing 747 that was bought and destroyed to make this set as authentic as possible. Yes, those are real cars that were bought and destroyed to make this set as authentic as possible. And yes, over here on the right-hand side, that's a real chair that was bought and destroyed to make this set as authentic as possible.
Is kind of an example of a set that is all designed around the vision of Stephen.
It's like, to sit down to talk about the world. What if the 747 goes in right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. Keep pressing me. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Okay, I'm closed. Robbie, get in. Get in.